Morning to all. Today we are going to see the topic of pitfalls in relation database design. A good database design should not create any problem when we are doing insertion, deletion, retrieving the informations or any operations. So before constructing the relational database design, we must have the discussion of how we are going to have the relationship among the schemas. From that we can avoid many problems. Okay. Relation database design requires that we find good collection of relation schemas. If you have the bad design, it will create many problems like repetition of informations, inability to represent certain informations, loss of information, wastage of storage. Storing the information of one student will be again able to store in different tables. So it will create the redundancy problem. So we have to avoid that. Then when we are accessing particular information data, we are going to access in three important operations like insertion, deletion, and modification. Okay, when we insert some data, updation of some customer informations, we have to update it in the if it is any loan database table, that also we have to repeat it. So if we forget to do that, so it is a insertion anomaly it will come. So like that, when we are deleting some data, we have to delete in both the table informations. Like that, we may get the problem. So modification also, we have to update in both the tables which is having the relationship, and sometimes it may have the loss of information problems. And we are storing the data in two different tables. It will create the wastage of storage. And before doing the relation database design, we must set some goals like avoid the redundant data and ensure that relationship among attributes are represented. Where we are giving the relation model, we are going to combine two or more relations schemas, and that we have to ensure that relationship among attributes are represented or not. For example, so we have the rendering schema. It is having the two different table combinations: branch name, branch city, assets. Will come in separate table, and another table customer name, loan number, amount. Here we have combined the relation schema by using the two different tables. Here what will happen? Data for branch name and branch city assets are repeated for each loan that a branch makes. Whenever we update something for the branch name or branch city, the assets, we have to make the changes in both the tables, in customer bank table and also the loan table. Here the memory is wasted. And then for avoiding this, we have to use the decomposition. So here we have to divide the lending schema into two different tables, like a branch customer schema and customer loan schema. If you do any updation on the branch customer schema, it will not affect the customer loan schema. Like that, we have to uh, make the changes when we are doing the schemas. Okay, thank you.